Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPad. Check iPad OS is current and free space is available because some widgets require updated apps. Once ready, long press an empty area on the home screen or any app icon until icons jiggle. This activates edit mode. Make sure to tap the plus button in the top left to open the widget gallery. You're now in the right place to choose size and app. Selecting promptly saves time and prevents accidental layout changes. Once the gallery is open, scroll and pick the app you want. Widgets often offer small, medium, and large sizes or a smart stack that rotates content. After selecting a size, drag the widget onto the home screen. Use a two-finger drag or nudging into place so it aligns with apps. Make sure to tap the widget while still in jiggle mode to access widget-specific settings like account, list, or location, so the widget displays the data you expect. To finish, create smart stacks by dragging widgets of the same size on top of each other. That saves space and surfaces the right info automatically. Once arranged, press Done or tap the home indicator to exit edit mode, then interact with each widget to confirm live data loads. If a widget shows blank or stale info, update the app, check widget permissions in Settings, force close and reopen the app, or remove and re-add the widget. This usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.